Next, true or false. Length of a side, there are three sub questions to it. Length of a side of a square and its area vary directly with each other. Okay. Length of a side of a square and area. What is the relationship between square side and the area of square? Area equals to side square. Okay. So A equals to S square. Now if, let's say, we'll solve this by example. S equals to 10, S square will be 100. If S equals to 11, S square will be 121. So what happens? S and S square, how do they move? In direct proportion. If one increases, other also increases. But what is S square? That is area. So area and S will move in direct proportion. So this answer is true. Next, if one angle of a triangle is kept fixed, then the measure of the remaining two angles vary inversely with each other. Okay, means one angle of a triangle is kept fixed. Okay, let's assume this is a triangle and we are keeping one angle as 90 degrees fixed. So remaining two angles we are keeping at 45. Okay. Now what is the question? Then the remaining measure of the remaining two angles vary inversely with each other. Means what? If I decrease this 45 to 30, what is the reaction on the other angle? See, this is made as 30, but total is always 180. So 90 plus 30, 120, and this will be 60. It means what? If one angle decreases, the other angle increases, right? So they vary inversely with each other. That is true. One decreases, other increases. So answer is true. Next, the area of a circle and its diameter vary directly with each other. Okay, area of a circle and its diameter. Okay, so pi into r square. What is area of circle? Pi r square. But r is what? D upon 2. So pi into d upon 2 the whole square. It means instead of doing all this what I have done, you can directly see from here itself. A is in the numerator, D is in the numerator. So they vary directly. Okay. No need of doing everything whatever is done by me. But to explain you, I'll show you how it comes. If D equals to 2, then what? Area of circle is pi into 2 by 2 the whole square. Right. So 1 into pi. If D equals to 4, then pi into 4 by 2 the whole square. That is 4 pi. It means what? If D rises from 2 to 4, area rises from 1 pi to 4 pi. Means both move in the same direction. One increases, the other